Welcome to the world of NFTs. My name's Seb Monty and my goal is to take you from zero to hero with everything regarding NFTs and the Solana blockchain. So let's just dive straight into it. So let's cover the different types of NFTs, where their value comes from, and strategies on how you can make profit with NFTs. Now, if this information is too fast for you, that's okay. Just go watch the beginner's course first, get up to speed with everything related to Solana, and then come back to this video and you'll be fine. So I imagine you know what NFTs stand for, non-fungible tokens. At present, they're just basically a lot of pictures. So we've got Mad Lads as an example. These are human pictures, as we can see, and they're used as PFPs, and they're part of a community. Up the top here, all good projects will have a Discord, a Twitter, and a website. Click on one of these links so you can start to research about the project. This project costs about $1,500 to join their community. And this is their Twitter. Mad Lads was created by Backpack, which is a wallet company. We'll cover how to research a project later on, but basically starting here at Twitter is the best point. So where do you buy these NFTs? Well, you get them from any marketplace. Magic Eden is the biggest one. This is the most popular one, and this is the one that I recommend and that I use. But there are other good ones such as Tensor.trade. The layout here is more suitable for someone that knows what they're doing. And there's also Sniper.xyz. This has some much better tools that you can use, and we'll cover this in another tutorial as well. Now this is my Twitter, and I use my Degenerate Ape Academy ape as my PFP. This is my profile picture. I'm a docs person, so I can use my normal face, but for many people, they use PFPs. So the first major thing to consider is the fact that it's literally an identity. Bobby uses an ape. As we scroll through Twitter, we can see other NFTs as well. This is pixel art. Here's another collection. This person's using a Ute, which is not a Solana NFT. Here's a Mad Lad, another Mad Lad, and so on and so on. Even if you are an in real life person with a docs identity so people can see your face, it's quite common to use a PFP. So this is Mert. This is one of the most intelligent people in the Solana tech industry, and he has a custom degenerate ape. Now, an important thing to know with NFTs is they're extremely volatile. So let's have a look at Mad Lads again, and let's go over to the right hand side for analytics, and we'll zoom out to 3 months, and we'll make this big. So this is the floor price. Ultimately, people care about floor price as their number one priority. Not everybody, but that is the biggest thing to consider. Mad Lads was minted, it shot on up, touched 100 Sol, came down to about 50, shot on up, and then it's just been going like this. Now this is common of many NFTs, pretty much all NFTs. So as an example, here is the heist. We'll have a look at the analytics here. Over 3 months, we'll make this big, and we'll zoom out. The heist minted, and it shot up. Very, very quickly, it hit 20 Sol. Came on down to about 6 Sol, and then it shot up again to about 24 Sol. And then it goes like this and like this. And recently, in just over 1 month, it's about half price. Whenever your investment goes half price, there's a lot more FUD, which is understandable. The reasons for such price volatility we'll cover in the next video. Let's just go have a look at another collection. So a good thing to see are the popular collections. We can have a look at this last 7 days, last 24 hours, whatever. And if you like, go and have a look at the popular collections on the left-hand side here, so we can see all the information really easily. The last 10 minutes is not necessarily the best metric, maybe the last 24 hours or the last 7 days. When it comes to NFTs, there's actually a huge amount of potential. There's potential far outside of just PFPs, but a lot of this potential hasn't been realized yet. What we have at the moment is a strong narrative and meta that's pushing people into play-to-earn games. King Royal, The Heist, Reavers, Fidelian, Photo Finish, these projects all have the ability to play a game and to earn a reward. All of them. Mad Lads, Degenerate Ape Academy, Transdimensional Fox Federation, these ones are different. They are PFP collections. The famous Fox Federation has a lot of utility. The utility is open basically to anybody. When it comes to owning a fox, you have special things such as missions and raids and staking. If you have foxes, you can stake and earn this Foxy token. This Foxy token is not worth very much, but it can be used in other ways in their ecosystem. So what we have are basically 3 categories at the moment. Profile picture NFTs, such as the Degenerate Ape Academy. Quite often their goal relates to community, building a community and creating a brand. My opinion, and nothing is financial advice, but most of these projects will fail. They will fail because they're full of dreams and nothing else. Also, art is subjective, but some art is just bad. I think Degen Apes as art is fantastic. And then art like this, I do not see it as fantastic at all. I have no idea what this collection is, and no disrespect to the artist. So back to the categories. Mad Lads, Degenerate Ape Academy, OK Bears, Claynosaurs. These all have the goal of creating a brand, and very few will be successful because it's hard. Then you've got the play to earn NFTs. They can also be used as PFPs as well. The Heist and Reavers. Ultimately, the price of these will change. It just depends on the demand, how much people can earn from the game. This is a new game, I play it and I like it, and the price is quite steady. We have another type of collection as well. These have utility without playing games, such as Soul Casino. Soul Casino is a PFP project as well. I kinda like the art, but a lot of people don't. But this collection has a casino, and so they earn rewards. And then we have other collections such as Asset-Vanta. There's nothing special about the art, it's a membership token. Their goal is kinda like American Express Black Card. It would be rude for me to miss SMB Gen 2. This is Solana Monkey business. This is pixel art. Pixel art has popularity, but it's probably not mainstream popularity. But this was one of the first collections minted on Solana, and they have a fantastic DAO. We'll cover more about their DAO when we talk about DAOs. But once again, it's very important to understand that these are very volatile. Over 300 SOL at the beginning of the year, and it came down and up, came down and up, came down and up. In June it was 235, and now it's about 80 SOL. So buying an NFT for profit is a little bit hard. It's mostly about community. But now at least you know the major different NFT types. Make sure when you do get an NFT that you identify with it, that you could use it as a profile picture and be proud of it. That's all for the quick overview, but don't worry, we'll cover every aspect of NFTs in the following videos as well. So stay curious and we'll catch you in the next video.